What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we have a 1995 Dodge Ram, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and replace it with your own single DIN. These are the type of things that you're into. Then please consider subscribing, because this is what we do all the time: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what the channel is about. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, because it's free, and that way you won't miss out on any more content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do, hit this pocket right here and open it up. You should have two Phillips head screws. This is actually a 1/4 inch screw on this side. I think somebody literally just took this off and put it back on again. But first thing we want to do is remove these two. So now that we have that pocket removed, we're just gonna sit it right there. And next we want to take this part out and do the same thing down here. You should have two Phillips head screws, one on each side. Alright. We're gonna slide that whole thing out right there and put it right next to his brother. Now, this is just like the Chevy Silverados, the older ones. Should be able to just pop all this stuff off because they're just clips behind there. This one is really old, so some of these things are actually broken off. But so you want to take your steering column, put it in the lowest position like that, and then we also want to turn the ignition on and drop that down. That way the dash kit has a little bit more room to actually slide out, just like that. Only thing that's actually hooked up is this cigarette lighter plug. So now we can take our dash and just kind of sit it right there. Put that back in park. And now we have two 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters. Take those two 10 mils out, slide that radio out just like that, remove the harnesses out. And you remove these harnesses by lifting up this little tab piece right here and then pulling on the harness like that. I'm trying to do this thing with one hand so y'all can see. So now that we have those harnesses done, you know this is an older vehicle and it looks like they actually have it grounded right here to the radio. So this will probably be the ground that you use for your radio, because you will not have one inside the harness. So what we need to do is cut this. All right guys, so there you have it. Here is the radio. There's a little dash cavity. Now let's get over here to the bench and get that dash kit prepped. All right, y'all, so we are over here on the test bench, and this is our dash kit. And don't worry, I will have all the links down there in the description for you guys so you know exactly what I am using. So what we need to do is we need to mimic the two holes that actually mount the radio. So that is going to be one down here at the bottom to replace, oh, I got it upside down. All right, so this one right here at the bottom is going to be this one, and this one right here on the side is going to be that one right there. So all these other tabs need to be cut off. I'm just going to use some regular little cutters. All right, so as you can see, I got everything cut off of there. And I just want to take the little sleeve off of the radio, put it inside the dash kit, push that all the way through. All right, now that that's through, we want to go on this side and we want to fold up some of these tabs, and that's exactly what the tabs are for, to lock this in place. Done, I like to push the tab in right here because that's what's going to actually lock when you slide the radio in. So we want to make sure that it locks. Take our radio, and that's that. Now let's get this thing wired up, get back inside the car. Alright guys, so we are back inside the car and we have this thing wired up, and this is your first time here. You're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over the wiring? Well, I have over 200 different radio removal and install videos, and it takes too much time to go over the wiring every single time. So to save time, I actually made one video showing you how to wire up a CD player. That link is in the description. That car will be popping up over here in the corner. And yes, every car is different, but as long as you have your factory wiring harness and you understand these wiring colors, you will know how to wire up a radio. Now, this one is pretty simple. There's no steering wheel controls, there's no modules that's needed. So the video that I have linked for you guys will literally show you exactly what you need to know. But I do that way I can keep these short, sweet, straight to the point, most efficient as possible. And if you do have your wire harnesses that has been cut from the factory, I also have a video showing you how to hardwire a CD player. That link will be in the description, and that card will be popping up in the corner. So I made all these different sources for you guys so you can have all the tools that you need. Now, if you need wire colors, I give that information to my Patreons. Those are the people that go the extra mile in supporting the channel. So I go the extra mile to give those guys the wire colors, and also it's just a platform to where I can have some dedicated one-on-one training with you guys. But without further ado, let's get this thing pushed back into the dash so you can see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, so that's what it looks like when it's all said and done, man. If you found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Remember, product links in the description, Patreon links in the description. And until next time, it's your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all be blessed.